Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Buzzbee. So today I'm going to be doing, I don't know, it's not a challenge, but how to make your own dinners. I don't know. So let's get started. Hi guys, I'm BB. You've seen me in most of his videos. Good point. Good point. Very. Okay, so, yeah, let's get started. What do you want? I have no idea. Let me get my stuff. I'll have some beef and cheese. Oh, well, we'll see when we figure this out. Yeah.
2 weeks later.
Actually wanted beef and cheese. We got bacon and cheese. We were going to do beef jerky like you saw in the What's in My Mouth challenge, but you know, couldn't find it. So,
We went with bacon.
I'm going to go get my things, and he's going to entertain you about my channel. Okay, first of all, we've had a new video called What's in My Mouth challenge, which Buzzbee said that we had the beef jerky.
Yeah, new video. That was posted like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks?
I call new. Well, the newest video.
Yeah.
The newest video of your channel.
Yeah. Oh, what should I
Ooh, I found something that I wanted.
do?
There's
No.
Doritos.
No. You do not. No.
Wait, are those the spicy Doritos?
Yes, the Jack. I think they're having those. Oh,
I think-
it's the hot wings too.
Ooh.
Ooh,
No.
that's
no. Hot wings, that sounds good. Well, I've tried hot wings. So,
I mean, I'd rather.
I've tried hot wings. I had to get a drink, and I was like in the basement,
Yeah.
and it took
One
like
time I tried a hot pickle. Oh my god!
Hot
I was up
pickles.
here.
hot pickles.
Oh yeah, and you didn't have it because you don't like pickles. I do.
Well, I really like little
Oh.
pickles. Little
What?
teensy beansy
Pickles. And I think I have dessert.
So,
Oh
here's the beef. Am I holding it the right way? Oh, yeah. Okay. The beef, bacon, and then there's the cheese.
no! Anybody want some Powerade?
Oh!
That
can like kill me.
I was gonna, like, you know, flip it, but then you're.
Well, I'll do
got
this.
away.
We'll do this.
So. Okay.
First of all,
we're doing
some of the cheese tried to escape. I don't know if you can see, but someone tried cheese. The cheese tried to escape.
I've got.
Don't know if you can see it with that.
It's not yet though.
Then we have some Powerade. Powerade.
Help.
Wait,
Oh, and I also have my other ingredient.
you want tons of stuff.
No, I'm only getting out 3 things. Yeah. What?
This very heavy. This very heavy mayonnaise.
Wait, what? You got mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise.
Nice.
Mayonnaise. 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 Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Plates.
Wait,
These plates.
I don't need a plate for beef and cheese.
Oops.
Let the mayo talk to you, okay? Talk to a mayo.
So we'll see when we got this.
Yeah, we'll see you when we
Guys,
got
during
it.
our last footage, you know, our camera died, which stinked. And I actually just made a Hawaiian roll, turkey, mustard sandwich.
I mean, look, that's too much turkey.
No, never too much.
And mayonnaise is everywhere.
And mustard.
I'll try it.
It's good though. Okay, fine.
Oh, I hate Hawaiian rolls, but all this
Well, this flavor.
will kind of block it. Oh, oil.
Man versus food. They're ginormous food. That's what I'm thinking of.
Don't lick it. Aha, wow.
He has problems. No, he doesn't. I'm just saying that because, you know, he's been lopsided.
Sided.
My napkin.
My napkin. You get a small one.
I don't care. What's the push the boundaries?
You ate more?
Yeah. It's the plate of awesomeness right now. But soon to be. Okay, so that can be our dinner. So
Well, that's not my dinner. My legs.
let's deal with it. Deal with it. So
You are right, Busby. I am lopsided.
kidding. I'll see you guys.
Just kidding. I'm not lopsided. That would just be weird.
We'll see you guys once I have the dessert ingredients ready.
2 weeks later.
Hey guys, it's BB. Busby is just now melting the chocolate for the dessert.
So, I think it's ready. I used 3 Hershey bars, put it in the microwave for like,
And I
10
wish you could
seconds,
see this, but
20.
look at that.
it's nice and awesome and
We didn't have any chocolates, Hershey's chocolate syrup, so we did that.
yep.
And we have some cookies and M&Ms.
Dang it. Okay. So this is gonna be like a little cookie sandwich, you know, type of thing.
Oh, so you're gonna put chocolate and M&Ms in the middle?
Yes, which is awesome.
Wait, make 2. One for me, one for you.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, but this. Okay, so yeah. The melted chocolate it's gonna be good. I'm just telling you, it's gonna be good. I can feel it. I really want to taste it. You get, wait, no, I get 2 Hershey bars.
Okay.
Yeah. You got way too much chocolate.
It's only 3 Hershey bars.
Yeah, I get the rest on mine. But do not. Oh.
Busby, can I have a bite of this?
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
I made
That's,
it.
yeah.
Did you eat one of them?
Or BB.
Oh, Phoebe?
Okay.
Yeah.
Next thing.
Phoebe, you ate one?
Yeah? Why? Yeah.
What did you eat for dinner?
This.
That.
On the Hawaiian roll?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Well, the taste blocked up a lot of it, so yeah. I liked it. I get the rest of the M&Ms, and we get extra M&Ms because they're called M&M cookies. So
This is mine.
this is mine.
I mean, yeah.
Oh.
So this is good. Try to make this at home if you
Uh,
want to. So,
I get melted chocolate. I didn't get cacao. I'm gonna get some.
Wow, it looks like you melted it perfect.
Yeah.
Did it for like 30 seconds.
38.
Very good sandwich, Busby.
Yay.
Oh, you used the Hershey chocolate. I thought you guys were using chocolate chips.
No, because this is an M&M cookie with M&Ms in it.
Yeah. I didn't taste any of the flavor.
Open up your sandwich. Another layer. There we go. Guys, that was our video. Our camera ran out of storage again, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.